In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop accepting responses on Typeform. Typeform is an essential tool for many of us, allowing us to gather information, feedback, and opinions from users worldwide. Whether you're conducting surveys, quizzes, or gathering event RSVPs, Typeform makes these tasks seamless. But there comes a time when we need to close the doors on these forms to analyze the data we've collected, or simply because the event we were organizing is over. That's when stopping new submissions on a Typeform becomes necessary. Today, I'll guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring it's clear and easy to follow. First and foremost, start by navigating to the Typeform website. Typeform's interface is user-friendly, so you should find your way around pretty easily. Once you're on their homepage, look out for the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to proceed. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with several options for signing in. For the sake of simplicity and speed, click on Continue with Google. This allows you to log in using your Google account, an excellent feature that saves time and keeps your login process secure. Now, patience is key. After you've clicked to continue with Google, there might be a brief waiting period. This is a normal part of the login process, where the system verifies your credentials and grants you access. Just hang tight for a couple of minutes, it won't take long. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head over to your form. If you have multiple forms, find the specific one you wish to stop collecting responses for. You can navigate through your dashboard to find your form, or if you have the direct link handy, that's even quicker. After locating your form, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the Settings option, which is usually positioned near the top middle part of your screen. This section houses all the configurations for your form, from design options to submission controls and more. In the Settings menu, we're looking for a specific option titled Access and Scheduling. This section allows you to control who can access your form and when it's available. Click on it to proceed. Now, for the crucial step, within Access and Scheduling, you'll find an option labelled Open this form to new responses. By default, it's turned on so that your form can collect responses. To stop accepting new submissions, simply turn off this option. It's usually a straightforward toggle. Click it and it changes the setting immediately. Lastly, don't forget to hit save. This might seem obvious, but it's a crucial step that's easy to overlook in the process. Clicking save ensures all your changes are applied and your form will no longer accept new responses. And there you have it. A simple guide to stopping your Typeform from accepting new entries. This process not only helps manage the number of submissions you receive, but also allows you to control when you're ready to analyze data or conclude your event planning. Remember, you can always turn this option back on if you decide to reopen your form for more responses. By following these steps, you maintain full control over your forms, ensuring that the data you collect is manageable and relevant to your needs at any given time. Whether you're wrapping up a project, concluding an event, or simply taking a break from data collection, knowing how to manage your Typeform's accessibility is a valuable skill. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has helped you navigate your way through Typeform's settings with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides.